Clouds drift effortlessly across the sky. They look so massive, like giant cotton. But why don't these heavy formations fall to the ground? This simple observation poses a fascinating question. How do these vast structures, holding tons of water, manage to stay suspended? The secret? Clouds are billions of tiny water droplets or ice crystals dispersed in air. They are not solid blocks at all. Why does a boat float? It's less dense than water. Clouds float for the same reason. Their overall density is less than the surrounding air. Clouds float because the air inside them, including tiny water particles, is less dense than the cooler, drier air surrounding them. Warm air naturally rises. Its molecules are more spread out, making it less dense. This buoyancy is key to clouds floating. The sun heats Earth, causing warm, moist air to rise. This rising air, or updraft, lifts the cloud's tiny components. As rising air cools, water vapor condenses into visible tiny liquid droplets or ice crystals. This is how clouds form. These individual droplets are microscopic, incredibly light, often less than 1/100th of a millimeter across. They are almost weightless. Despite tiny mass, they face significant air resistance. This helps counteract gravity's pull on each individual droplet, slowing their fall. Constant updrafts, columns of rising warm air, within and around clouds actively push these tiny particles upwards, keeping them suspended. A cloud's total water content is immense, but that weight is spread over a vast volume, making the overall cloud system less dense. Like dust motes floating in a sunbeam, they're heavy enough to fall, but air currents and their tiny size keep them suspended. Clouds fall as rain when tiny droplets collide, merge, and become too heavy. Air resistance and updrafts can no longer support them. In summary, clouds float due to tiny light particles suspended in warm, buoyant air and constantly supported by rising air currents. Next time you gaze at clouds, remember the incredible atmospheric physics at play. This keeps those majestic formations gracefully suspended above us.